system has evolved from analog to digital, and more importantly now, the digital transformation has also moved ahead with the extensive use of what we call artificial intelligence. It's a disruption generally to all facets of life: transport, business, health, agriculture, and everything. But for the media, it's quite peculiar because we deal with content. And so we deal with content because content is king. And so if we are applying technology to create content, to manage content, you are already a step ahead. And so that is part of the challenges for the broadcast media generally, because once you leapfrog to one particular type of technology, there's always a tendency that ahead of you, you also need to move up. You also need to move on. So it creates its own challenges in terms of funding, of how you are going to cope with the opportunities that are available to advantage of. But those in the private sector have taken a good advantage of this by having what we call broadcast on demand. And that itself will generate revenues for you to continue. And that's why you as a person, as a professional, you can also open your own YouTube accounts. You can also do podcasts. Today we have sports feed that you can put all your, most of your programs in there. And then you can own it. There's also another tool called Broadcast Yourself. These are channels that in some cases are free. Later when you want to rate or when you want to move it, are likely going to pay. Now, the accessibility to the people, the Africans, is of course it's a challenge because of what we call rural access to network services. It's a challenge, but in Nigeria, we have a program called Rural Telephony Services, in which means today you can move a truck with the Wi-Fi to a particular village and people have access to it. Again, with the opportunity of the satellites, you can pick signals from any part of the world. So when we are talking about the challenges, of course, there's also the opportunities that we have. So what we need to do is to invest heavily in rural telephony and network, for our people who have access to internet services.